Well, I can't lie, that whole experience kind of felt like a Fenton fever dream. I'm here at the Valley Vendor Mall in Boas, West Virginia. This place is way more my speed. I'm excited to go in. It hasn't been too long since I was here last, but I found some really great stuff last time and I didn't film, so I'm excited to bring it to you. That one is so cool. I looked at that last time. Definitely spendy. Oh, look what we have here. $32 on the bittersweet. That's not bad. It's got a little nick on it though. All right. I'm gonna grab this flower brooch, I think. If I can figure out how to get it off of there. $8. That's a really fun one. And I love this little kitschy horse planter at $15 though. It doesn't leave much room. I ended up going back for it because I think at $32, there's still some room to be made. And it's not easy to find and I never get to get my hands on it. Plus it kind of matches my bracelets. Check out these cat salt and pepper shakers. These are so fun. $13. I had that set once before and they didn't sell as well as I thought they would have, honestly. So I think I'm gonna leave them, surprisingly enough. This is kind of a fun jewelry box. $20. The lid is not closing correct. Wow, there's a lot happening in here actually. I love the Rosaline butterfly. That is gorgeous. $65 on that. And ooh, that's spendy. I've had this one before, but it's $4. That nick on the bow though, oh, it's so cheap. How much is the little bear bank? $5. You kidding me? Oh, I can't leave this stuff here. I can't leave it here. Wait, what is that chicken thing? That thing's wild. All right, well, I ended up just grabbing it and stop being weird. Love the little green striped bangle for $3. I'll take that. Told you guys this was more up my alley. And then this one's plastic, but it's stretchy. It's kind of fun. I'll take that. It's only $2. And then over here, what is this little hand-blown blue art glass? $6.50, little handkerchief vase. That's quite pretty. I'll take that as well. And that's how I ended up with a giant box of stuff. Here's this hobnail piece. It's pretty nice. How much is it? $75 though. Just kidding. Oh, hello, kitschy red bow tie guy. $5. Sold. And the paint is in pristine condition. That never happens with these. What's up with the blue glass horse? Ooh. Blue milk glass paperweight, $18. Hands-on nest. Gosh, if that thing keeps spooking me out, I'm like, it startled me like 3 times since I've been here. $20 on the carnival. What about over here? $27, not my thing. I think it says 25% off. And this is cracked. That's why it's $8. Okay, that makes more sense. And what about the little deer ashtray? $10. Is there anything wrong with it? For $7.50, I'll take that. Is it a deer or a cow? It's like a cow deer. And a little blue, $12, not bad. A little underwhelming compared to some of the stuff. And then this Fenton vase here. It's only $9. I feel like for $9, I can't go wrong. I'll take that. Look at the giant Murano clown. It's freaking $25. That's not even fair. This is really cool too. That's a nice piece. It's really heavy though. I try not to buy things that are so heavy because of my combined shipping. I usually sell stuff that's super fragile and I don't want it to get knocked around. Okay, bring on the glass. Now, I remember this wasn't as cheap as the rest of the stuff, but definitely worth a look, obviously. That's amazing. I love the yellow slag glass. That's at $65 though. This is kind of unusual, the color combo on that. Then a little hobnail piece, $38. $28 on the slag glass. $24 on the bud vase. That's really pretty. $24. $22. Jadeite dog. $65. Whoa. $22. That's kind of awesome. What's down here? Oh, I love this stuff. $30. $28. I really like the pattern on that. $42 though. And then more jadeite. Is this heart? Oh my gosh, it's the hearts. I love the hearts. As is. Oh, it's like super, super, super repaired. Okay, I could get that for myself if I really wanted to. I could justify spending, what was it, $3 on myself? I mean, come on. All right, these are gorgeous. I love the color, especially this one. I've never seen that color combo. $55, $65. Lucite candles. $50 for the pair. That's not bad. I feel like someone's screaming at me right now to get those. It's a little bit more than I'd like to have invested. Little purple trinket box. $30. And then over here, ooh, green. What does this say? Does that say $16? Is it broken? Why is it $16? That's really, really cheap. Well, crap, for $16, that's coming with us. And what else did we find? It's kind of interesting with the green and black. Check. A little slag glass piece. $25. A little rosaline action, $12. Victorian bowl. That's pretty. And then see this crackle glass. That's only $7. It's kind of a good deal. 28, 24. Oh, little cat on nest in green. I've never seen that before. 15. It's not bad. 28 on this gorgeous rosaline bowl. 38, 65. That's about retail on that. I looked that one up not long ago. Love the little mosser trees. Don't really understand. Oh, they're 15 each. The black tree is awesome at 35. This is really pretty. I think I looked at that and I had a chip or something if I remember correctly. A lot of this stuff is moved around though, which is cool. And then over here, a little mosser box. I have one kind of like that, except mine's green leopard print. What is this? $24. Buchanan, interesting. Black cat, $25. We have to check, $75. Giant pink Christmas tree. The dresser set, $115. That's pretty fantastic. I love this. That's gorgeous. Over here, trying to sneak in, see if I can. Some really interesting ones here. $27.50, $55, $38. Yeah, the prices are super reasonable. What's this purple vase? I never see purple. $40. It's kind of cool. Oh, lovely color. And I love the pattern on that as well. 22. The box is nice. Oh my gosh. Getting like cross-eyed. What's this squirrel? Is that a Viking squirrel? Glass squirrel, $6. Dude, what? A glass squirrel for $6. I'll take that. Ooh, one of the theater faces. How cool, $18. Yeah, those are usually expensive. Very neat though. And 25% off. I found the best Jack in the Pulpit in this booth last time. 25% off, so like $20. That's not bad. Yeah. It's a little lackluster compared to what I found last time in here though. Don't really see much else. It looks like they're just kind of steering away from vintage and more into that stuff. And then purple slag glass. Whoa, $20. That's not bad at all. I just caught a glimpse of something that's gonna make it hard for me to pay attention to much else. How much is it? Priceless. They really want you to work for it, don't they? $100. All right. That's, all right, let me fix this. And then the Rosaline rabbit, that's beautiful. That's at 80. The deer is probably spendy too. Yeah, $80. And we just have to know. We have to know. 110. The koi fish vase, very cool. Now over here. Whoa, a lot happening over here too. It's kind of a tight squeeze. The Imperial Glass Donkey is amazing. Oh my gosh. Whew. 18. It's kind of a marriage. It looks like an unusual marriage, but I like it. Now I have to know. Oh wait, we didn't look over here. Nothing much. It's this case that's now calling my name. 35. Ooh, look at that jar. Carnival glass jar has internal stress mark. I don't think I want to mess with that. That's why it's so cheap. Oh, my stomach's rumbling. So many Fenton shoes. $12. And I love the elephant. That's at 60 though. The horse is very cool. Is that glass or plastic? It looks like plastic. The candlesticks are neat. Those are Czechoslovakian, if I'm not mistaken. Art Deco. Yeah, check. Boom. And what is this weird thing? Acrylic squirrel. It's missing its name plaque or something. Probably a souvenir. And over here, I'm surprised by the lack of jewelry. Whoa. Look at the fish. $99.99 and 20% off. Yeah, that's more like it. That Fenton cat is $40 and 20% off. Dude, what? How much is the owl? 42 and 20%? 25? Wait, no, that's not right. 20% off, yes, okay. And what's up with the duck? The duck is 40. I might want to get in here. I'm gonna have to. Fenton squirrel, 15 firm, chipped. Wow. Ah, firm though. Dang. Is that one firm? Nope. $40, not firm. And the fish is so cool at 80, but I think that's a little much for me to spend. I don't think I could get much out of that. And before I get the key, I'm gonna look over here. Little milk glass ashtray. No discount in this booth. Still, it's like $9, like the ashtray. It's really interesting to me. That's a really pretty color. Ooh, and this little dish back there is an interesting color. That kind of like teal. Well, I don't think I went all the way back here last time because it looked like it was mostly like VHS and I was super worn out. But check this out. Imperial $15. That's insanely pretty. 15 bucks. I kind of feel like that's a steal. I think we're gonna get that. Love the pattern on it too. The roses, that's real nice. Well, I'm approaching a spot where I found a bunch of good stuff last time, including like a really epic pair of Kitschy bird wall plaques. Look at this necklace. That's really pretty. Let's see what else they got today. Here's the head vases, $40 as is each, I should mention. That's kind of cool. This picture is only 10 bucks. Humpty Dumpty, Mother Goose mug, $10. That's a steal too. Oh my gosh, my stomach is hungry. I had lunch too. I never have lunch when I'm on the road. I don't know why it's so hungry today. Ooh, I see a little handkerchief vase hiding behind here. $50. Just kidding. Wait, that's not right, is it? It is right. Interesting. That's a little unexpected. And over here, some dog figurines, some squirrels, mostly contemporary stuff. What about back here? Yeah, it's mostly contemporary. Red, $17.50. That's pretty. But again, I've had it before. I'm trying to find some different stuff since I came all the way out here. This little vase caught my attention. It's kind of nice. Fred Meyer art glass lantern. Interesting. Well, for $7, I think I'll be taking that. And I know this is not what I want it to be, but yeah, 12 bucks, I'm gonna leave that. Yeah, now that I get that out into a better light, kind of into it. I kind of wish it was lantern. Oh, dang, you're right. Can't be used as a vase because there's a hole in it. Dang it. Yeah, I don't want to do that. No wonder it's still there. Well, I was looking at all the salt and pepper shakers when another fish vase caught my attention. How much is it? It's probably spendy. It's so pretty. $140, yeah. And Burmese vase. I think it's, yeah, I was just making sure it wasn't for the pair. You know, you never know. Wishful thinking. These are really pretty too. And then lucite rose candle holders. Those are fun. I've had a lot of stuff like that recently though. I need to switch it up. I never see this size in a panther planter. $6? What? That's a steal. They're usually like huge and impossible. Yeah, $6 on that. That's a great deal. I'll take that for sure. Well, I spent $134 in there. I would consider that a good deal. Now I'm going to get in the car and look at a map and figure out what my next move is, and I will see you guys tomorrow.